Hello, I am Neha. I am internationally certified theta healer, and today we are going to talk about why manifestation does not work for you. You all know how to manifest in many ways, but I'm going to talk about why it doesn't work. Okay, there are many reasons why manifestation does not work for you. The most important reason is that your vibrations are low. If your vibrations are low, then you won't be able to manifest what you want. And what does lower your vibration is jealousy, anger, hatred, all the negative emotions which you are holding within you. This lower your vibration and you're not able to manifest anything. So it can't be like, I hate my neighbor, I hate my classmates, I hate my colleagues, but I want to manifest a great job for myself. Well, it's going to be very tough for you. To manifest, it's very important that you vibrate high, having that love and affection and forgiveness for everyone around you, not holding on to negative emotions of any kind, be it having resentment for somebody, or unforgiveness, or just general agony, anything which is negative. The moment you think about it and you're like, no, my body is not feeling good about it, is what you should not hold at all. If you are holding such things, it will be tough for you to manifest.